So, while communicating with most of my friends and peers, I came with a very common question that is a question of most of the students as well, and most of the people quite often ask me, like how to improve my communication skill, and especially when we talk about the English speaking skills. So what I thought that in order to answer this question, I should create a video for that so that most of the people get a fair idea that by using which tips we can improve our communication skills and take especially our English spoken skills to a next level. Hello and welcome everyone, this is me Rituraj and you are watching and talk with me. In this video, I'll be going to talk about one of the most common questions that quite often people ask me, that how to improve my English spoken skills. So that question we are going to find out what's the answer and what is the tip by using which you can improve your communication skills and take your English to a next level. So without getting in further delay, let's get started. So in order to improve your communication skills, all you need to do is start speaking. Don't think about don't wait for someone if I will have a good friend of mine who will going to start with me speaking English, or someone who will get me enrolled into a course and let me start speaking English. So don't wait for that. All you need to do is just start speaking, because once you start speaking, then only it is going to improve. And only if you are thinking that my English speaking skills should improve and you are not working on that, so that doesn't work actually. That is just by thinking you can't improve your speaking English. So the very first thing, as you know, the direct answer to this is, in order to improve your English spoken skills, you need to speak up, and as much as you can. Also talk to as many more people as you can. What you can do is, you can go to your friend, you can talk with them in English, you can go to your colleagues, you go to your peers and start talking in English. Don't hesitate of making mistakes. So yeah, that happens actually, that whenever we do something new, we tend to make a lot of mistakes. So you don't need to hesitate with that you are making a lot of mistake, what others people are going to think about you. Don't worry about that, because if you will worry about these things, because everyone knows that you are something new to this thing, so probably it is quite often that you are going to make mistakes. When we are learning any kind of sort of programming language, or any sort of doing any new thing, so what happens actually in the beginning, what happens that we tend to make a lot of mistakes. But quite often what happens, and that is gradually the mistakes are getting low, and you finally improve in that particular field. And that is similar to this thing as well. When you want to improve your English communication skills, all you need to do is start speaking and speak to as many people as you can. Also look for the opportunities. Opportunity will not come to you, like your friend is not going to come to you and tell me that hey Raj, I want to speak with you English so that you can learn. That is not going to happen. Instead, what is going to happen is that you need to go proactively to that people and talk to them, speak to those kind of peoples as well, that who are more confident than you, who are they know proper English, or someone who is having a greater hold of English than as compared to you. So try to speak to them, and try to inculcate them how they are talking, how the way they are talking, how they are pronouncing. So these are the things that you need to take care of, and this can only be possible when you speak, and you will not go any opportunity to go from your hand of speaking to someone stranger. So the very second tip what I want to give you is that listen and read. Listening is one of the important skill that is quite often needed when you want to improve your English spoken skills. So you might wonder that why I am telling you that while listening you can improve your spoken skills, because listening and speaking is two different kind of. So yeah, you need to understand that these two things are interrelated. Like once you will not the very first step is to listen. Once you will listen it properly, half of the work is already done. So that's why listen to those people, those peers or those mentors that how they are speaking, how they are communicating, how they are expressing their ideas to others, how they are guiding people, how they are pronouncing, the way they are talking, the words they are emphasizing on, the that particular thing. So that sort of things you need to take care of. And yeah, once you will listen to them, you will definitely like the way they are speaking. And also what you like is you will create a mental inertia of like, so once you will properly listen attentively to that person, to your mentor, to your someone, to your colleague who is speaking in English, who is making an impact on other people through their English. So when you will start looking at them, what you will notice is the way they are speaking, the way they are communicating their ideas to others. So yeah, that is one of the important tip from my side, that listen to everyone, and also not to the mentors and peers. You can also what do, you can news channels, yeah, often when you are watching a movie, try watching a movie in English. So yeah, that is going to with the subtitles. While you're watching a video on YouTube, try to listen to that in English. So that is something that is really going to improve your English over the period of time. Not suddenly, but yeah, gradually your English will improve. So yeah, now when you are already speaking and you are listening to most of the people, you are reading a lot. So the next thing come here is try to record your voice. When you will record your voice, you will came to know about your errors and about your mistakes. Yeah, I know that most of the people, yeah, almost 90% of the people don't like to hear our recorded voice. That is something that I also don't prefer to do that. But yeah, this is a little difficult thing that you need to be take care of, and you need to take a step towards improving your English. And in order to do that, you will have to do that thing, because you don't necessarily need to do that, but yeah, that is one of a way that by which you can improve your English. And the best part of this is that you will able to know about the what are the mistakes you are making, and how you are pronouncing, how you feel when you are speaking when you are speaking something, how people are understanding you when you are speaking something, and what people think about you when you are speaking English, how people are going to judge you, how your body language is going to be. That is something, body language you can't get because if you are not recording the video. But yeah, the way you are speaking, the tone you are using, that you can see through the audio as well. So yeah, try to record your voice and find your mistakes, listen to it 2 times, 4 times, as many as times you can, so that you tend to know your mistakes, how you need to proceed further, how you need to speak up, how you need to take care about when you're talking to two different kinds of people. Like we don't tend to talk to a people, we don't talk similar in a way we are talking to a kid or we are talking to our school principal. So these are two something different things. We talk to our friends a little differently. The way we talk to our principal or our mentors is there something a different way. So you need to you will take care of that, and in order to do that, this step is really very much helpful for you in that. So now when you are speaking, when you are listening, you are reading, and you are recording your voice, you are knowing your mistakes. Also what you are doing is you are learning as well. You are learning via these things. So in when you need to speak up, don't learn this only the single words. Try the different ways of speaking. Like in order to tell that, hey Raj, how are you, you can also tell that, what's up dude. So these are some of the other ways. Try the different ways of speaking. So that is going to improve your English, because yeah, most of the peoples I know that who are watching this video are already familiar with English, or they are improving their English. So in order to improve it, you tried the different ways, the more and more the ways of speaking. So that will also improve once you will listen to more and more people, to different people, the way they are speaking. Suppose one of my friend is speaking in another way, while one of my mentor is speaking in another way. So whose voice you like, and you can also do one thing, like you can imitate them, try to copy them, try to copy the way they are speaking, the way they are using it. So yeah, that's one of the fourth point that I was having. Instead of learning the words, try to learn the phrases. At last, that what I want to conclude for this video is that you are already speaking up too much, you are already listening, you are already reading, you are already learning, recording your voice and looking to your mistakes. What other thing you are doing is you are learning the phrases instead of words. You are trying different sentences, how to speak up. And so or by doing all these things, your English is going to improve a lot. And also what I wanted to add here is enjoy the English. While you are speaking English, it's not like a penalty to you. It's not like a burden given on you that you need to speak English or you need to learn English in this much time or that much time. It is not like that. Instead, what you can do, have fun with English. Listen to listen to the music in English. Listen to while you are alone. Try to speak in a different ways. Try tongue twisters from the Google. You can search as many as tongue twisters on the Google as well. You will get a multiples or hundreds or even more tongue twisters on the Google. So try to do that. So that is going to help you to improve your English. And even after this, if you are facing any kind of problem, just comment down below. I'll try to guide you. Just comment down below. I'll try to answer all your questions as soon as possible. And if possible, I will also make a video on that. And yeah, that's all for in this video. If you really like this video, give us like, and not just like, subscribe and ring the bell icon so that you, my friend, don't miss any future updates. So until then, thanks for watching.